Oh, I see Summit Plummet. Not sure if I'm gonna ride it or not. Well, we'll see. John doesn't think he's gonna ride either of them, but I'll see. I'll let you know if I chicken out or not.
Hey guys, it's KJ.
And John.
Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for coming. And if you're coming back, as always, thank you for coming back. If you are brand new here, I do videos on
Disney,
motherhood, and lifestyle. If you like any of those things, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button, ding the notification bell, and leave us a comment.
Obviously, it's interesting times right now, and we were just reminiscing about some of our favorite Disney trips. One from being last year, and going to the water park, something that we hadn't really done before a couple of years ago, and now it's become one of our favorite parts of our Disney trips.
So we have some footage or a vlog from Blizzard Beach from our 1-year anniversary trip, or 1-year wedding anniversary. It turned out that I found that I was pregnant right after we came back, so we had filmed all of these vlogs and I never shared them, so we figured what better time than to share them now. We were supposed to be on a Disney cruise earlier this month.
Yep, but it got canceled, which I'm sure there's many of you out there watching who's had similar stories of Disney vacations being canceled as well. So
we thought we would have those vlogs to share with you, but since we don't, we're going to share some vlogs with you from, like we said, our 1-year anniversary trip from last year that we never ended up sharing. So check out our Blizzard Beach vlog. Do you think we went on Summit Plummet? You'll have to watch. So we hope you guys enjoy.
We just got to Blizzard Beach. We decided to take an Uber. It costs $5, so I would recommend that because otherwise you have to go to a park and transfer to a bus. So I think it was worth $5. You?
I do. I agree.
Yeah. So we're heading in. Never been here before. Very excited. The beach house.
On 2 ticket. Do you need from
I'm Crush. All right. This is our first time here. It doesn't look too bad, and we got here. What time is it? 11:30. Our first time at Blizzard Beach, and it doesn't look too crowded so far. So I would say that that's a positive. We do need to find out where the lockers are. I think I watched Tim Tracker, and I think you have to go to Joe's or something like that to get a key. But that may only be for the lockers that are back and hidden. So we're gonna go check that out. Oh, I see Summit Plummet. Not sure if I'm gonna ride it or not. Well, we'll see. John doesn't think he's gonna ride either of them, but I'll see. I'll let you know if I chicken out or not. What do you think, babe? Yes, no?
Yeah.
You gonna do it?
No.
Oh, and this is cute. So we found the lockers. There's lockers, changing rooms, restrooms. Oh. We can't go to Ski Patrol training camp. I believe that's for kids. Or maybe not. No, probably Tike's Peak is for kids. Go, babe, go. Come on. There goes my honey. Nice and easy. There he goes. Here I go. Woohoo! Woo! Whoa! Flip you around. Whoa! That was a good one to start off with. Now onto something a little bit more scary. Maybe we'll do the chair. Let's do the chairlift and go up. Heading up the chairlift. I'm totally chickening out for Summit Plummet, I think. It looks really, really scary. Oh my god, there goes some girl. Can you see her? I'd be screaming too.
46 miles an hour she was going.
That's crazy.
This one is also, I don't know if I can handle that, babe.
As we get closer to Summit Plummet, the more I'm thinking I'm probably not going to do it, but I'll definitely do the Gusher. We shall see. Here comes this girl. Where is she? Where is? Oh, there she is. But it's so fast.
I don't think it's okay.
I feel like they're down in like seconds. Here's the little ones that we started at. Whatever that one is, I can handle. This one, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Whoa. Oh my god, you really are just like flat up and down. Whoa! Bye! My heart is starting to race. I think we're gonna do Mount Gushmore. Yeah? Alright. Oh, here we go down this. Woo! What did you think? I don't know if this is gonna help. The that was the most wet we just got. There's a thing right there dripping down, and that's the most wet. That's the most wet that I just got. Over there's the Mickey raft. We just rode the slope up, but now if we want to ride more rides, we got to go back to the top. So we are working our way from left to right. We're gonna hit, I guess, the purple slope or the red. We'll see. So there are 3 slides to go down on Runoff Rapids. We thought so, but then we thought we only saw 2 openings. And then we get on the open line on the left. And then all of a sudden, all these people come and walk right on. We did not see the one on the far right, so make sure you look if you want to go on either open one, that there are 2, and the closed one is in the middle. Whoa! Woo. This one's pretty tame and enjoyable. I'm digging it. Okay, and I just got all wet. I was not prepared for that at all. Oh, here I got the ground. I'm gonna get all wet. Ah! We learned our lesson. We're gonna go down on the right because that seems to have no line. I wonder if it's an easier one, if that's why. I guess we'll see.
Hey guys, you're gonna put your tube on your back like a backpack with the arrow facing down, lump on your head.
Go, baby, go. Bye. Here we go. I wonder if it's gonna have those bumpy things. Woo! Woo! This really is very enjoyable. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to hear me because of the wind, but hopefully you can hear me. Yeah, this is just very relaxing. I haven't gotten to any of those bumps yet. Woo! Now we're gonna ride the enclosed slide. You pumped?
Yeah. I'm always worried about being tall. I always don't like I don't like anything like scraping my head.
How tall are you?
6'2".
You know, you're tall. I'm just not that tall. I know how tall he was. I was just saying that so you guys would know.
I'm just saying, you don't think about those things.
No. All right, we're next. Good luck. And there he goes. Oh, oh goodness. I can't believe how much I can. Oh, now you can't see anything. Woo! Oh, now we're in the dark. Now we're in the light. Woohoo! It's a little scary in the dark. I like that they put light here. Woo! Is it? Oh, long. I see the light. Woo! We just did the Runoff Rapids. Now we're gonna go head to the purple, which is a little bit more adventurous. We just did red, and then we will see how that goes. But those 3 slides were a lot of fun. The one in the dark actually doesn't feel like it's that much in the dark. You guys will see the video. You can actually see my feet because the light, there's like little holes in the slide. So liked that. And now we're gonna go, like I said, do the purple. Looks like there's 3. We're gonna go see which one has the shortest line, even though it's all the same. Downhill double dipper. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Made it to the top. You're gonna win. You're heavier than me. We'll see. Whoa! Oh gosh! Woo! 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 I think I won. We just did the double dipper, and I'm freezing now. I beat John. I thought you just said I beat you.
No, I said we got down around the same time, but I think I got down before you.
I thought my bell rang, but either way, we basically
Oh, is that what it was?
landed around the same time. If you go on downhill dipper, you want to be in an even number if you can, because then you can race the person next to you. So just an FYI, if you have an odd number, you won't be able to race anyone you know. I'm just out of breath because that was a thrill. We did wait for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, you think?
Oh, you said 12.
25, 30 minutes, so you have to wait for the tube, which takes some time. At the top, John's going on the end. It's like a toboggan.
I actually thought that was a lot of fun when it first started. It wasn't really going that fast, talking about the Toboggan Racers. But then I picked up speed. Not like fast, but enough to where, you know, you're going down face first and you get a nice splash at the end. It was different. I liked it.
But now we're gonna go on, what's next?
Snowstormers?
The Snowstormers, which you ride a similar
Right there, please.
type of raft. I don't know what you would call it, but here we go. Oh, there he is. We just rode Snowstormer. You're on your stomach for that one also.
And that one kind of winds back and forth. It kind of hurts your elbows and knees, especially
Hurt my
if
back.
you're big enough. Like
Yeah.
Come off it.
Yeah, that one was rough. So
Let's go to Slush and Gusher now.
all right, we're gonna go to Slush and Gusher. Maybe.
Make sure you go the right direction.
Here we go. Slush and Gusher. Go the right way, John.
By the way, anybody there under 48 inches tall?
Okay.
If so, you're not tall enough for Summit Plummet.
We're gonna stay to the right
But
for Slush Gusher.
down Steamboat Springs.
The tamer of the two. About to go down Slush Gusher. There's like two people in front of me. Going to try to get this, but John's a little afraid. I'm not afraid of this one. I am afraid of Summit Plummet. But I think I can handle this. How do I go down? Just put myself? Alright. Here we go! Whoa! Oh my god! I can't even see! So we just rode Slush and Gusher.
I liked it, but I got a ton of water in my nose and throat, and it just was uncomfortable. If I were to ride it again, I'd probably either try to hold my nose or something, or just make sure I keep my mouth shut instead of like, so I think I got a lot of. The rush of water was crazy.
Yeah, that didn't happen to me. It just I couldn't see as we were going down. I saw the first hill, kind of, and then I couldn't see anything.
Obviously, the first hill is when you go down.
Yeah.
Then I saw the second, but then by the time you're done with the second, couldn't even tell when the third one was coming. I just kind of shut my eyes and like. I want to wear my sunglasses down because of that, so I could see.
They told you couldn't. So you can't wear sunglasses, and the rush of water actually turned the video off. So I think it's just really the sky and me yelling. I can't see. Overall,
it's fun.
yeah, it was good. I just wish I could have seen what I was doing.
Doing that, I know I can't do Summit Plummet.
Yeah. When I first got off, I was like, I don't think I could do Summit Plummet. Now I'm kind of like, I don't know.
That last hill is about a third of the size of Summit Plummet, so.
But I think Summit Plummet's a lot faster. And there's so many little
nothing
kids
slowing
going
down.
on. My heart is racing a little bit.
By the way, anybody there
John and I are going to part ways.
tall? If so,
I'm going to do Summit Plummet.
Oh, there's not much of a line. I'll be done before me.
John is going to do the Slush and Gusher. Love you. I'm real scared, but I'm just not going to look. Otherwise, I'll chicken out. But
To make sure your ride down
here we go. I'm right at the top. And I'm real nervous. There's only about like 3 people in front of me, so if little kids can do it, I can do it. There it is. Oh gosh. You can see the bottom by her feet. Woo. I can't believe I'm about to do this, but here we go. I don't even want to look. Oh gosh. Can I just lay back? I cannot believe I'm doing this. I just did it, and it actually wasn't that bad. I will go on again. It did hurt my rear a little bit, my butt, my back, but not that bad. I'm proud of myself that I did it. I don't know that John would ever do it, but that one was actually a little bit better than the one next to it. I didn't get you. But how did you do?
Good. I covered my nose that time, so much more pleasurable. So I didn't get this rush of water through my nose. It was fun. I like that one.
Yeah.
Slush and Gusher's good.
Overall, we got here around what time?
11:15.
And it's about
1:15.
no, probably closer to like 2 o'clock now.
Oh.
So 3 hours?
Yeah.
About 3 hours we did everything, and we rode a few things more than once. So we're gonna go maybe check out the lazy river and maybe the wave pool, but really we lucked out today that it's not that crowded. We thought it might be a little too cold, but it's actually perfect with the sun out.
Yeah.
Typhoon Lagoon is closed right now, so I'm actually surprised there's not more people here. So overall, I'm digging this part. Here's the lazy river if you hop on in there. We decided we're not gonna do that right now just because we want to get back, and it will probably take a long time, but I guess you can exit here, and if you look here, here's like the map of where it is. So there's my man in the wave pool. No raft though. Oh, it is warm. Woo! We got floats, but we're just walking. We're just walking. The only thing we didn't do was the lazy river, but that may be for another time.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our Blizzard Beach vlog from our 1-year wedding anniversary trip.
If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button.
And ding that notification bell, leave us a comment, let us know, have you been to Blizzard Beach? Did you guys go on Summit Plummet? Let us know in the comments below. And with that, we'll see you real soon. Bye!
See you at the water park.